In this video, we'll review the data entry control. Data entry is unlike any other control in Axiom in that it allows the user to write values back to the tags stored in the historian. As such, users must be given explicit permission on the data entry access control list within the identity tile in order for it to be available. It's also important to note that this control does not have the capability of creating new tags in the historian. It can only write to pre-existing ones. When we first drop the control onto the screen, the Add Source Tags menu will appear, allowing us to browse for tags. If we need to add or remove tags, click the Edit Source Tags link and make any necessary adjustments. Tag names will appear along with their last known value and timestamp. To enter a new value, the application must be in live mode. Once the value is inputted, an entry time must be entered to provide a corresponding timestamp. We can use the date time picker to select an actual time, or use a relative time. If I just want to use the current time, I can enter now. With the value and timestamp staged, we'll click the Commit button. If the timestamp falls after the last known value, the control will update with our most recent entry. Otherwise, historical values will be inserted into the data archive. Any value written to the historian using the data entry control is stamped with audit information showing the user who made the commit and at what time. Let's look at one more property. The isEntryTime read-only property will prevent a normal end user from changing the entry time. If I log into Axiom as a user who is not on the data entry access control list and open this application, you'll notice the entry time is grayed out. When I place the application in edit mode, you'll also notice that many of its properties are not available to edit. Finally, we'll mention that anyone who has access to the data entry control is able to commit entries if tag security is disabled. If wanting to restrict this access, tag security must be enabled in the identity tile, then users and groups given read-write access where appropriate within the tag hierarchy. That's it for data entry. Thanks for watching.